one of my mentees applied for a NIRSAL loan, 6 million to be precise. He went for the training, filled every form, passed every screening. Finally, he got approval. But at the point of disbursement, one top official told him, "Before we release your 6 million naira, you must give us 4 million naira cash upfront." Hello, welcome back to Bashwan Talks. Today, we'll be talking about something that should have changed lives in Nigeria, but instead has destroyed hope for many dreamers. I'm talking about agricultural loan schemes or agriculture funding schemes in Nigeria. Now, from NEXIM Bank to the Bank of Industry, Bank of Agriculture, and NIRSAL, the promises are always beautiful. 5 million naira here, 10 million naira there, zero collateral, empowering farmers. But let's tell ourselves the truth. Most of these schemes only exist on paper. Let me share a real story. A few years ago, one of my mentees applied for a NIRSAL loan, 6 million to be precise. And by the way, NIRSAL means Nigeria Incentive-Based Risk-Sharing System for Agricultural Lending. He went for the training, filled every form, passed every screening. Finally, he got approval. But at the point of disbursement, one top official told him, "Before we release your 6 million naira, you must give us 4 million naira cash upfront." Imagine that. That means he would only get 2 million to actually run his business, but will be expected to pay back 6 million in the official records. My brother, these people, they don't get joy at all. He tried to negotiate for them to even make it 3.5 million. He begged, but they insisted on 4 million naira. So he walked away, frustrated, heartbroken. After months of training and false hope, he gave up completely. Now he tells everyone that agricultural loan for Nigeria is a scam. And honestly, can you blame him? Because this same thing is happening across the country in so many sectors. In NIRSAL, in the Bank of Agriculture, and even in NEXIM Bank. Now, let me also tell you my own experience briefly. Years ago, I applied for agriculture business loan with NEXIM Bank, ticked every box, even got approval, but one official simply decided, "My brother, your face no good," so the money never came, even after I met all the requirements and conditions. No explanation, just discretion. So my question is, are we really running a support system for genuine agric entrepreneurs or for a connected people machine, where the people who need support most get ignored and the people who don't need it get the funds to build or buy houses and apartments abroad? By the way, I later discovered something shocking inside NEXIM at that time. They had a special program they called a managed facility. It meant the bank gives you a loan without collateral. Their staff follows you up, helps you buy your goods, and those goods become the security for the loan. Now, this really sounds brilliant, right? But here's the problem. That scheme was never meant for ordinary Nigerians. Only certain people had access. I even had a face-to-face meeting with the MD, the managing director himself at that time. He admitted that many of those loans never came back. My guess is because they were given to the usual suspects, people who know somebody that knows somebody. So when the government later says Nigerians are not repaying loans, then I ask, which Nigerians? Maybe we Nigerians should start seeking, or rather demanding, detailed information about what companies or individuals have been getting these loans. Because the real farmers, the real hustlers, never even touched that money in the first place. In addition to this craziness, here's the bitter irony. Foreign-owned companies registered in Nigeria are getting billions every year from these same banks. I got insider information that some of them get up to 3 billion every year for so-called agriculture projects. But 99% of the profits from those projects never stay in Nigeria. I know one Indian businessman personally. His office in Lagos, a shabby building, Nigerian workers there earning barely survival money, sweating under ceiling fans. But in Dubai, my brother, this man is living like a prince. Big offices, big houses, all funded by Nigerian loans. That's the tragedy. Foreigners get access to Nigerian funds, while Nigerian farmers can't even get 1 million without knowing somebody. We keep saying we want to reduce poverty. We say we want to create jobs. But if the same 1% of connected people keep eating the whole cake, how will the rest of the country ever rise? And it's not just about bad policy. It's about bad people inside the policy. A system where connections matter more than competence is a system that kills dreams before they are even born. But let me be fair. There is one government body that truly deserves respect. That is the Nigerian Export Promotion Council, NEPC. Those people, my God, they still do their jobs really good. You don't need to know anybody. They guide you, support you, and link you with buyers. That's how a real institution should work. If every other agency behaved like NEPC, Nigeria would not only feed itself, it would feed the whole world. So here's the truth. Nigeria doesn't lack money. Nigeria lacks management and morality. We must fix the system, not just launch new slogans. We need policies that ensure these funds reach real farmers, not just politicians or connected people. We need audits, proper independent ones. And above all, we need the courage to say enough is enough. Because right now, our agriculture funding system is not empowering Nigerians. It's enriching the few whose plates are already full. If this message opened your eyes, please like, share, and subscribe to Bashful Talks. Join our WhatsApp community. The link is in the description below, where we discuss real agriculture business, mentorship, and business opportunities as well. People are already making contacts and making deals there. And don't forget to grab my ebook on starting a scalable agriculture commodities business. As a beginner, it will guide you step by step and save you from the mistakes many of us already paid for. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye.